Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to log in into Amazon Prime Video, the process is very simple. First, open the Prime Video app on your phone, smart TV, or computer. Then, make sure you have a stable connection before starting. Then, tap on the sign in button or sign in already or customer and then enter your mobile number or email. Then, click continue. Next, enter your Amazon Prime's password. Make sure to enter your password correctly. If your details are right, you will be logged in into Prime Video successfully. Now, if you've forgotten your password, tap on the forgot password and follow these steps to reset it using your email or phone number. After login, you can start watching movies and shows instantly. Now, your Prime Video account is ready. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.